Hi there, students. On the move. To be on the move. Okay, this means to be active, to be physically active. So I've been on the move all day and I really need to sit down. Yeah, I've been on the move here and there, up and down, doing different things, and I'm really tired. Or, for example, when I was a kid, my family were always on the move. My dad was always being posted to different places. So I spent all of my childhood on the move. And it was difficult. We didn't really settle down. So it was maybe a little bit difficult to make friends. Or if you're on the move, you're traveling. So the herd of buffalo arrived at the waterhole last night and had been drinking all day, but now again they are on the move. They're going somewhere else. They are traveling. One of the great benefits of the mobile phone is now you can be in contact with your friends and family while you are on the move, while you're in the process of moving from one place to another. You could also use this on the move talking about jobs. Okay, he's always changing jobs. It seems to be he's always on the move. And then we can also use this on the move to mean making progress. So the business is really on the move. It's really starting to move it. Yeah, it's really starting to go places. So on the move. I'm really tired. I've been on the move, on the go as well. I've been on the go all day and I need to sit down. This project is on the move. It's really progressing. Yeah, and my life is always on the move, going from one place to another. Maybe I'm a rather nomadic character. So on the move, traveling from place to place, advancing, succeeding, or very active, very busy. Yeah, if you're always in motion, it's always on the move. The army had encamped there for a while, but now clearly they are on the move. I don't want to sit here and talk about this. I'd rather talk about it while we're on the move. Okay, well, we could. This is something that we can do while we are on the move, while we are traveling. They got in the car and were on the move in seconds. Yeah. You shouldn't jump off a train while it's on the move. Yeah. Okay, so on the move, moving about. The bandits stay on the move in order to avoid capture. The economy is finally on the move again. Is it? No, I don't think so. Not yet anyway. His career as a geologist meant that his life was always on the move. He was never able to stay very long in one place and was on the move. One of the things that is bad for your health is eating on the move. When you eat, you should sit down and enjoy it, rather than eating a sandwich while you are on the move. It's not such a good thing. They say that civilization is always on the move. It's always progressing. It's always going forward. So changing location, in motion. Okay, their plans are on the move. They're moving up. They're going well. So, well, the origin, I think, is quite clear. It's on the move. You're just in motion. And formality. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. Let's see. His ambitions are on the move, doing really well. The the economy is on the move. Maybe 4.5, but I think 5 in formality generally for on the move. You use it anywhere. Yeah, so now you've watched this video, your English is on the move. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. On the move.